1, 2, 3. Swimming pool, magsiswim tayo. Open daw to. Wow, walang tao sa swimming pool guys. Meron pala. Yan si Ronnie naghihintay. Yan, ang ganda ng swimming pool. Towel dyan guys for the swimming. Yan, patay ng towel. Dito pala, dito ka magsha-shower. Yan. This one is what? In duty, no lifeguard in swimming pool, yeah. Quick tour tayo sa swimming pool, guys. This is a swimming pool rule. Swimming pool. The rule. Oh, pool is safe for swimming for Mandarin Hotel guests. Yes. Oh, quick tour lang. Ito yung Mandarin Hotel. Swimming. Yeah. Quick tour lang tayo guys. Tapos ito yung dining nila. Dining nila. Tapos ang ganda ng sofa. May music pa. Ito naman yung pang men, pang for women, they're changing. This one for men, that side. Change muna tayo guys kasi gusto ko mag-swimming. Change muna. Here at swimming pool at Mandarin Hotel. Swimming pool. Yan na swimming pool na guys. Swimming pool at Mandarin Hotel. Si Ronnie nagsiswim na doon. Kaya tingnan nyo guys. Ayan si Ronnie. Doon kaya ako pa-picture. Nagsiswim si Ronnie. Guys, ito pala yung towel na hiniram namin para sa swimming pool. Swimming pool area nila guys. Yan, swimming pool area. Yes. Yan, Mandarin Hotel. This is a swimming pool area. Wow. Very nice swimming pool. May naliligo. Wow, people swimming. This is a Mandarin. Enjoying? Wow, Ronin like to swim. So nice. Wow, enjoying Ronin. I also want to swim. Yeah, I go and change my swimming costume. Siya na pala guys. Yan ang ano ko guys. Oh. Swimming costume. Yeah. Yan ang swimming costume ko guys. Yan pala ang swimming costume ko guys. Here. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung swimming costume. Oh no! Yes. Guys, welcome to my vlog. This is this vlog. For today's vlog guys, mag-swimming kami dito sa Mandarin Hotel. Yes. Ang ganda na rin ano guys. Ginagamit ko yung GoPro ko, swimming dito. Sige, samahan niyo ako sa swimming. Kami ni Ronin lang ang swimming. Sarap ng tubig. Alamig ang tubig guys kasi mainit dito sa ano. Ayun. Pupunta ako doon guys. Swim ako. From there. Wow, very nice swim. Okay, wow. Sarap. Sarap ang swimming guys. That's it guys. Swimming. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to press the notification bell to update my next videos guys. Mamaya na kami magtapos ng mag-swim. Swim muna kami saglit, mga siguro mga 20 minutes. Another 20 minutes. May umbrella guys. Diyan kami umuupo kami diyan with free towel. With free towel. Bulol na ako guys. Diba yan? Yung anak ko si Ronin, swim pa rin siya. Gusto niya mag-swim. Ronin, you enjoying swimming, right?
Yeah.
Yes, very nice the water, cooling. Guys, inom tayo tubig. Yan. Tubig complimentary ko sa Mandarin. Hayaan nyo lang makikita yung kabilbilan ko dyan guys. Marami bilbil. Basta nakaswim lang ako. Tayo sa kabila ng empty. Relax dito sa swimming pool. regalo ko ni Rochelle. Tagal yung regalo. Kala ko nga yung umuwi kami ng guys, yan palang swimsuit na sinuot ko. Regalo yan ng friend ko na si Rochelle. Matagal na yan binigyan niya guys. Akala ko nga hindi ko kasya eh. Pasensya ka na, hindi ko maririnig yung sinasabi ko kanina. Ayan. Huwag nyo na lang tingnan yung mga kabilbilan ko dyan. Punta tayo doon kay Ronin. 1, 2, 3. Tingnan mo yung Ronin Liwente ko guys. Sarap mag-swimming. Oh, ngayon ko na-try yung GoPro ko na sa ilalim ng swimming pool. Wow. Agad na pala guys, gagamitin yung GoPro. Ay, nagamit ko na dito talaga yung GoPro ko. Ay, ang saya-saya. Oh. 2 minutes ko to. Balik tayo. Doon tayo sa ano guys. Yan. Yan. Ito yung Mandarin Hotel. 1, 2, 3. Mag-swimming tayo. Papunta doon. At yung 2 minutes lang to. 1, 2, 3. Swimming tayo. Oh, isa pa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hindi pala na ano kanina. Nakuhanan kanina. Testing natin. Off muna natin. Hi guys, that's it for today guys, for our swimming at the Mandarin Hotel. That's it. Magbihis na ako guys. Maliligo muna ako, tapos magbihis. Huwag lang pansinin yung mga bil-bil ko dyan. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, Rosa Minis Vlog. And don't forget to press the notification bell to upload my next video. Bye! See you next vlog again. Bye! Yung surroundings ko guys. Tingnan mo yung umbrella namin. Wow! Yan. Bye-bye! See you next vlog. Toilet muna ako. Bye! So, hindi pala pa nakasubscribe sa akin, please don't hesitate to subscribe my channel, Rosa Minis Vlog. And don't forget to press the notification bell to update my latest all videos. Thank you. Bye! God bless everyone. Stay safe. Bye!